In this video, we're doing a tablescape. If you're interested to find out more, you know what to do. Stick around. Hello, this is Stephanie of Creatively Miss Me, and you're in the right place if you want to make decorating a bit easier on a budget. If so, click that red subscribe button you see down below. Then a bell will appear. Click that bell and then click all. This way you'll be notified each time I upload something new. And while we're here, why don't you give your girl a thumbs up? It doesn't cost you anything to give me a thumbs up, but it would help my channel. And also comment and share my videos. Today I'm participating in an open invitation collaboration. And the title of this collaboration is Paper and Plastic Tablescape Sunday. Now it is hosted by some wonderful YouTubers. And I like this challenge because every time they do it, they switch around on who is going to be the host. And today's host is Tammy at Me, Myself, and I'm DIYing it. And the co-hosts today are Cynthia from Cynthia, She's So Blessed, Alberta from Mysterious Alberta, Lynn from Lynn's Lifestyle Living, and Geraldine at Diva Decorating. Now, if you're not familiar with any of these ladies, I will include a link to their channels along with the playlist when it becomes available down below in the description. Now, their rules today are very simple. They ask you to be a subscriber to their channels. They ask you to link the host channels along with the playlist in your description box. And they ask you to use a hashtag for their video. And the hashtag will go across the screen. Hashtag Paper and Plastic Tablescape Sunday 2020. So if you're interested in seeing what I'm doing, you know what to do. Stick around. Each plate setting is the same. I know it was plastic or paper, but I wanted to use this charger. Now you know that the placemat, the placemat itself is plastic, so it's still in the category. It just has a little wood tied to it. The DIY, those are clothespins. I will try to find the video where I did that in the DIY and link it in the iCard. Now the next thing I have is this charger. Now you know the chargers are all plastic. They came from I think Pier 1. They had it on clearance, a sale on it once, and I bought 4 of them, 6 of them I think. Let me make sure. Yeah, Pier 1. And then the next I have this melamine plate that I ordered from Pier 1 on their clearance off season. And then, believe it or not, this little center melamine plate that came from Walmart. I think the price, no, it's not on there. They were like $1 and something a piece when I bought those. I got a set of 6. And then this melamine, this plastic cup here, this came from Walmart as well. It was a box of 6 for like $3 and something. But I got the 6. I liked it because it had the diamond detail etched in it. And I thought that was really pretty. Now my centerpiece is, well, the flowers in it are plastic. But I had to put something in to go with the placemats. So we have the wooden bottom, the glass top, and of course that's plant dirt inside, and then the succulents from the Dollar Tree. Everything on this table I already had. Nothing was purchased brand new. When I thought about the paper and plastic challenge, I was wondering what I was going to do. I didn't want to go buy any paper plates, and then I remembered I had these melamine plates, and I do have some other plates, but they're clear, but I want a color to stand out. So here is my paper and plastic Tablescape Sunday for 2020. If you haven't gone already to check out creativelymissme.com, check out my blog, where I have created forms to make planning easier for home organization and for content creators. Make sure you sign up for the quickest updates. And this is Stephanie from Creatively Miss Me saying, thank you for watching, and you be blessed.